Welcome to 10 Royal Tech. In this episode, we're documenting something truly special. A complete timber house constructed using centuries-old Chinese joinery methods that require no nails, screws, or metal fasteners whatsoever. Our story starts from the ground up. The construction site undergoes thorough preparation, debris removal, grading, and leveling with heavy machinery. A concrete foundation slab is poured to create the stable platform that everything else will rest upon. What sets this project apart is the building technique itself. Every structural element will connect through mortise and tenon joints, an ancient method that transforms rough timber into architectural poetry. The builder sources raw logs and begins the transformation process. Power tools and hand implements work together to shape irregular timber into usable beams. Each piece receives careful measurement and marking before precision chainsaw cuts follow the guideline. Concrete blocks are strategically positioned across the foundation at measured intervals. These aren't just supports, they're solving multiple engineering challenges simultaneously. By raising the timber frame above ground level, they create airflow beneath the structure while protecting wooden components from ground moisture that would otherwise reduce the building's lifespan dramatically. This joining technique epitomizes elegant engineering. The concept is straightforward. One piece of wood features a projecting tenon that slots precisely into a mortise, a matching cavity carved into another piece. When executed properly, the result is a mechanical connection that resists pulling, twisting, and compression without requiring any metal hardware. Each joint functions like a three-dimensional puzzle piece, custom-fitted to its partner. The collective result is structural integrity achieved purely through geometry and friction. Precision becomes non-negotiable during frame assembly. The framing phase culminates with roof preparation. Substantial beams are positioned to support planking that will form the roof space layer. This wooden substrate will eventually anchor the final roofing materials. After trimming surplus material, both the main structure and roof framework stand complete and ready for the next phase. Construction extends to a secondary wing adjoining the main building. The process mirrors what came before. Concrete block supports positioned precisely, then the wooden frame lifted into place with crane assistance. The methodology remains consistent, seasoned, treated timber joined exclusively through traditional mortise and tenon work. Additional partition elements reinforce the frame's rigidity. The roofing phase begins with standard tile installation across the completed frame. Beyond basic tiles, specialized components serve specific purposes. Verge tiles protect edges, ridge tiles cap peaks, and hip tiles handle angled transitions. These specialty pieces typically go on after the main tile courses to achieve a refined, professional appearance. Decorative finials often crown roof peaks or accent entryways, contributing architectural character. The overlapping installation pattern ensures comprehensive weather protection. Each row overlaps its predecessor, creating a water-shedding seal that channels rain safely away from the structure. End caps terminate ridge lines while providing additional protection and polish. A bandsaw processes dried logs into uniform planking. Complete bark removal is critical. Bark harbors woodworm larvae, and infestation would be catastrophic. These pests consume wood from within, compromising structural integrity over time and potentially destabilizing the entire building while drastically shortening its lifespan. Dimensional consistency becomes even more crucial when working with mortise and tenon joinery. Planks must be identical to ensure joints match perfectly. This uniformity matters both for structural strength and visual harmony throughout the finished building. Wooden walls divide the open interior into functional rooms. A laser level ensures absolute accuracy during this phase, marking connection points to guarantee cuts and joints align correctly. First floor installation requires wooden beams positioned between frame members to serve as the structural foundation. Beam placement accuracy determines floor integrity. These are essentially the rails supporting everything above. Once again, mortise and tenon joints must be cut precisely for firm connections. Electrical wiring runs beneath the floor, protected inside conduit to prevent damage, creating a concealed distribution network throughout the structure. Once subflooring work concludes, finished floorboards can be installed. Boards are cut and fitted precisely to each space. Small expansion gaps, just a few millimeters, separate planks from walls, allowing wood to expand during high humidity without damaging adjacent surfaces. The upper level follows similar methodology. First, electric sanders clean and polish wood surfaces, removing splinters and creating smooth finishes. Since second floor beams also form the first floor ceiling, they must be finished to perfection for interior aesthetics. Flooring technique mirrors the ground floor, precision cutting with small expansion gaps at walls. As flooring progresses, interior and exterior partition walls are mounted. Boards slide smoothly between vertical supports, securing at their joints. The same approach applies to attic walls. To separate room ceilings from the attic space above, a wooden divider layer is added. Structural beams provide stability while wooden planks fill voids, completing the second floor ceiling. For curved or challenging spaces, the carpenter employs an ingenious technique. Attaching a pencil to a wooden stick, he traces curves by rotating around posts at fixed radius. This creates clean cutting lines. A power saw then cuts along these marks, producing pieces that fit wall contours perfectly. Despite the all-wood philosophy, certain areas require concrete block construction, specifically wet zones like bathrooms. High humidity makes these spaces unsuitable for wood long-term. After walls rise, a roof slab must be installed. The builder creates a metal frame, constructs a reinforcement mesh within it, and fills this with sand cement mixture. Surface leveling is crucial to eliminate gaps. Finally, surfaces are leveled and walls receive interior and exterior plaster. Stairs represent one of the project's most demanding elements, requiring exact measurements at every stage. The process begins by measuring total height, the complete rise. This figure is divided by standard rise per step, determining required step count. Slots for each step are carefully cut using a miter saw, then refined with chisels to ensure perfect fits. The second stringer receives identical preparation. Standard specifications call for step rises between 17 and 20 centimeters with tread depth minimum of 23 centimeters. Adequate space for comfortable, safe foot placement. Wooden braces connect and reinforce both stringers. For contemporary aesthetic appeal, LED lighting is added beneath each step. An electrician installs concealed wiring throughout the staircase structure, connecting lights to a central distribution board. The space beneath the staircase receives wooden paneling enclosure, creating aesthetic appeal and structural support while transforming unused space into practical storage, maximizing functionality without sacrificing style. Step lighting adds modern elegance while creating a striking visual effect that makes the staircase a stunning focal point. While technically possible to build stairs without handrails, doing so severely compromises safety. Handrails are critical components installed along one or both sides to provide secure, easily grasped surfaces. Beyond safety, they add structure and visual appeal, serving as both functional and aesthetic design features. In this case, since one staircase side abuts a wall, naturally providing support, only the open side requires a handrail. Proper alignment and tight connections ensure long-term stability and user safety. All joints must be fitted precisely. Attention to these structural details enhances both safety and overall finish quality. The builder crafts door and window frames next. Mortises and tenons are cut at panel ends, while inner sides receive 45-degree angle cuts to ensure joints fit seamlessly. Open areas designed for light admission receive decorative mesh installations. To create mesh frames, wood panels are carefully notched without compromising integrity. Each notch receives a second cut panel, ensuring smooth, uniform design. Mesh measurements are crucial for perfect fit and aesthetic results. Door and window frame designs are identical, creating visual cohesion throughout the space. The main area is now fully enclosed, creating a large, expansive hall flooded with warmth and natural sunlight. Wood gaps are filled using wood-colored filler mixed with pigment, ensuring seamless results. An air release device clears surfaces of dust, leaving everything spotless before the next step. The spray painting process begins with clear, colorless varnish that protects wood while preserving its natural beauty. After the initial clear varnish layer, colored finishing begins. The builder selects pigment to give wood a rich, luxurious appearance. Pigment is mixed into base coat and applied with spray equipment for even coverage. This painting process extends to every detail: ceilings, floors, stairs, windows, and doors. The method works for both interior and exterior surfaces. Exterior treatment is especially important. Environmental factors like rain, cold, and intense sunlight significantly impact facades. For optimal results, 2 paint coats provide both durability and flawless finish. Painted doors and windows are now ready for reinstallation. Carpenters ensure stationary parts fit securely into main frames, remaining solid and immovable. Movable doors must slide smoothly along rail sets. Sliding mechanisms attached with rollers allow doors to glide effortlessly. Craftsmen attach one mechanism part to the door itself, the other to the frame. Once aligned and adjusted, doors fit perfectly, opening and closing with ease. Before final flooring installation, the electrical network must be established beneath the first floor layer. All wiring is gathered into specialized plastic conduit running throughout the house, providing power sources to each room. Smaller beams are fixed to the first floor layer, facilitating second layer installation. The builder vacuums the entire space clean. High-quality wood is used for flooring. Its surface is treated to match interior design. During installation, no expansion gaps are needed between floor and walls. The wood has been thoroughly dried and treated, allowing direct wall contact without expansion or damage risk. In each room, wires are pulled up through floors to designated spots for electrical outlets and power sources. Once floor covering is completely laid, the transformation is remarkable. Every detail, color, and style harmonizes perfectly, adding seamless, elegant finish to the interior. With the house complete, interior furnishing begins. The carpenter starts with the bedroom, crafting a wooden bed. As in previous projects, precision is paramount. He selects appropriately sized wooden planks, marks them according to sketches, then cuts them using drilling equipment. These form the main bed frame components. For added accuracy, cuts are refined with chisels, ensuring perfect fits. Before assembly, wood glue is applied to joints. Horizontal wooden pieces are inserted into cut sections, forming the bed structure, ensuring sturdiness and stability. For the headboard, several planks are prepared to interlock. Sides are curved to fit together. Once pieces are ready, glue is applied and components are tightly clamped. The glue requires drying time for solid bonding. During this period, the carpenter works on the headboard frame. Once the frame is assembled, the bed receives its first light paint layer via spray machine. After the first layer dries, a second darker coat enhances the finish. Finally, the bed is carefully placed in the bedroom. For extra stability, the carpenter installs side panels and places the mattress on top. The result is a beautifully crafted, sturdy bed that perfectly complements the room's design. The kitchen is among the home's most important spaces where family members spend significant time together. Here, the floor level is too low. The area must first be filled with soil to achieve correct height. Once filled, the surface is carefully leveled and firmly compacted for stable, even foundation. After proper surface preparation, a sand cement mixture creates the floor base. This forms a smooth, solid foundation for final floor covering. Now begins construction of one of the kitchen's most important features, the smokeless stove. A floor section is cut out for plumbing system installation. In other marked areas, stove construction begins. Brick is the ideal material for withstanding high temperatures, making it perfect for this application. This traditional stove requires specific construction techniques, relying entirely on craftsmanship from careful firebrick placement to internal channel design. To create a supporting surface, the builder uses granite slab reinforced with rebar and concrete mixture for strength and durability. This also creates a perfect spot for placing kitchen items or tools. To help the stove retain heat longer, its outer sides are filled with compacted soil. This added insulation traps warmth inside, making the stove more efficient. Once filled, the surface is smoothly plastered to seal heat and provide clean, finished appearance. For preparing family-sized meals, a large wok must be installed on the surface. The craftsman marks the wok's radius, then constructs the upper platform using fire-resistant bricks. In rural China's heartland, tradition and innovation unite to create the smokeless stove crafted from locally sourced bricks and clay. Construction begins with a solid foundation ensuring durability and excellent heat retention. The stove center is left open for heat to rise freely. To help retain warmth for extended periods, outer walls are filled with compacted soil, and the entire surface is smoothly plastered. Once the stove body is complete, rebar is added to the platform. The metal helps retain heat even after fire dies down, maintaining steady cooking temperatures. Together, both stoves create a highly efficient cooking station capable of handling multiple simultaneous tasks. The same method builds the second stove. Both are carefully plastered inside and out, ensuring clean finish and lasting performance. The wok
must first be
installation
filled with
area
concrete
must
for a
first be
solid,
filled
stable
with
base.
concrete for solid,
The craftsman then marks the
stable
granite
base.
slab,
The
carefully
craftsman
tracing the
then
wok's
marks the
exact
granite
size
slab,
to cut a precise
carefully
opening.
tracing the wok's
Once
exact
prepared,
size to cut a
granite is
precise
secured
opening.
onto the surface.
Once prepared,
Granite's
granite
sturdy,
is secured
heat-resistant
onto the
qualities
surface.
make it ideal for
Granite's
this
sturdy,
task, offering both
heat-resistant
practicality
qualities make
and
it
beauty.
ideal for this task. Offering both practicality and beauty. To complete installation, the entire stove, top and side sections, is covered with smooth granite slabs, creating cohesive, polished appearance. This granite layer enhances durability while providing sleek, modern finish. The creator pours water into the wok, planning to test how quickly it heats. Now it's time to test the stove. He lights the fire and observes airflow and combustion inside the oven. Everything appears to be in order. The chimney works properly, drawing smoke efficiently, and the water reaches a boil, demonstrating strong, consistent heat distribution. To protect interior space from moisture, a ventilation system is installed. Large corrugated pipes are mounted in the ceiling connected to the hood. This prevents steam accumulation in the room during cooking. The creator chooses natural stone for the bathroom sink. Processing such a large stone slab is challenging, requiring patience, precision, and care. The work demands time, but safety is equally important. As stone is shaped, it breaks into fine dust and small particles, making protective gear essential. Using an electric breaker, the stone's inner part is carefully carved out, then cleaned and refined. Special polishing solution is applied, smoothing the surface and providing a clean, refined finish. Finally, a circular drill creates an opening at the center, preparing the stone for drainage pipe installation. In this episode, we witnessed a house built with amazing craftsmanship using the traditional mortise and tenon method. Truly a masterpiece. We also explored interior finishing work, crafted furniture, and bathroom and kitchen setups. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more fascinating projects, make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other episodes. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.